Talk about levels, the theory of requisite organization, and organizing the hierarchy of our organization according to modes of information processing. And what are the characteristics of the individuals who inhabit each level? Level 2, we see people being able to string together concepts and assemble it into some solution that they're seeking. So in their speech, they'll often use and or some sort of conjunction to pull together their ideas. You can think of the way they process information as something like looking for clues to put together a puzzle. When you pick up a puzzle piece, you don't necessarily have a whole sequence of how it's going to string together, but you know that it's important, that it has something to do with solving your problem, and you can hold it in reserve, pick up something else, hold it in reserve, pick up something else until you find your way around. So these people are the masters of process. They're also the first level that really should be put in charge as actual managers. I'm not talking about shift leads, but a manager of something, that has 24/7 responsibility for the outputs of a function. Level 2 is the first level of manager. Talk to them, you can listen for thoughtfulness. There's a sense of thoughtfulness about abstract things or symbolic things that you won't find at level 1. And you can also ask for lists and processes. They'll come up with good ideas. A lot of the professions have been made to be able to function at level 2.